Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how crocodile leather CNC bags are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe.
Tanning preserves the hide's natural durability while enhancing its luxurious texture and appearance. Tanning transforms raw skin into durable, flexible leather.
Every bag is carefully inspected before leaving the factory.
Luxury is defined by the smallest details. Every design is tested for strength, comfort, and longevity. True luxury blends technology with human craftsmanship. Every bag is tested beyond everyday limits. Only premium, ethically sourced materials are selected. Every hide is inspected, documented, and approved.
True luxury blends technology with human craftsmanship.
Every product is tested beyond everyday limits.
Only premium, ethically sourced materials are selected and inspected.
Tanning transforms raw skin into durable, flexible leather. Tanning transforms raw skin into durable, flexible leather. Luxury is not created overnight. It is shaped by time, precision, and mastery.